All right, we're going to do a short lesson on color. And this will serve you for the rest of your life. And I'll try to get it as simple as possible. Okay, we're going to talk about the color wheel. And that's the color wheel. Let me back it up just a hair so you can see all the words. All right, so our primary colors are blue, yellow, and red. And you may have heard that before and you may remember it, but we're going to do a little bit more even than that. And from our primary colors, what do we make? Blue and yellow make green, that's a secondary color. Red and yellow make orange, that's a secondary color. So primary, secondary are the ones on the outside, and then the ones that you make out here are intermediate. So if you add the blue and yellow to get this green, and you add strong green and strong blue, what do you get? Blue-green. That's called a hue. So any of these intermediate colors are a hue. Any of these are a hue. All of these colors are a hue. So from a hue, then we're going to change the value of our colors. The lightness or darkness of a color is when we add black or white or gray to the hue, and it changes the color value. Darker colors are said to be lower in value than brighter colors. The addition of black to a color produces what we call a shade of that color. I didn't learn this till college, and it's really not complicated, so this will be helpful to know. So if you add black to a color, you get a shade. If you add white to a color or a hue, you get a tint. A tone is made when gray is added to a color. I don't know why I find that fascinating, but I do. So gray to a color makes a tone of that color. White to a color makes a tint, and black to a color makes a shade. And the intensity is the brightness or purity of a color. A pure hue is in its brightest form and is the most intense color. The addition of a complementary color, a hue that is opposite another hue on the color wheel, dulls the intensity. So if we add blue and orange together, test that out with your watercolors and tell me what color it makes. Blue and orange, what color does that make if you add it together? All right, that's our basic color reference, what I wanted you to learn about the color wheel today. So have fun with your new information about the color wheel. Love you guys.